Hello, good evening everyone. I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Welcome back to the new class, and today we are also doing B2 level aspect neue module 5. This is module 5. Since couple of days we have been learning module 5 chapter 5 B2 level aspect neue book, and today we are doing Arbeits book and the topic is Berufsbilder. This is page number 76. If you have the book, you can please open your book and follow the lecture, you will better understand. So Berufsbilder, in this chapter we learn about different professions. Beruf डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे और उनकी टेटिशकाइट मीन्स क्या क्या वो काम करते हैं. जैसे डॉक्टर है तो क्या काम करेगा, लाइक आर्किटेक्ट है तो क्या काम करेगा, बैंक एम्प्लॉय क्या काम करेगा, एक हेयर सलून में क्या काम किया जाता है. ठीक है, और इस तरह से हम देखेंगे बेरूफ उन टेटिशकाइट, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट प्रोफेशन एंड व्हाट आर देयर वर्क्स, व्हाट आर देयर प्रोफाइल, व्हाट डू दे डू इन दिस प्रोफाइल. ओके, सो वी आर लर्नन über verschiedene Berufe und die Tätigkeiten. Was macht man zum Beispiel, wenn man ein Architekt ist? Oder was macht ein Architekt? Was macht ein Friseur? Was macht ein Ingenieur? Was macht eine Krankenschwester? So, okay, was sind ihre Tätigkeiten? What are their work, job profile? What do they do? So, these are different verbs I have written. So, these are Berufe. You can see I have written 6 professions. Berufe, and these are Tätigkeiten. Okay, we frame the sentences. Tätigkeiten means their work profile. Tätigkeiten. So, I have written 6 professions. मैंने 6 professions लिखे हैं with Tätigkeiten, and we see vocabulary, verb structure, sentence formation. Okay, so this is very important video for B2 level students. Although you are aware about these professions, you have done this in A1 A2 level, but how to frame sentences and what are the different same words and different synonyms, same word, Wortschatz, vocabel. Okay, so wir lernen neue Wörter, Wortschatz, okay, und Satzstruktur. So let's begin with the class. So first is Informatiker, female Informatikerin. You know, when we change the gender, female बनाना है तो हमें in ऐड करना होगा, like engineer, engineerin, lehrer, lehrerin, architect, architektin. So Informatiker, Informatikerin. So was macht ein Informatiker? Programmierer, software entwickeln. Okay, he developed the softwares, he do programming. So when we make sentence, अब हम sentence बनाएंगे तो ये हमारी verb है, इसको हम conjugate करेंगे. Okay, ein Informatiker programmiert, ein Informatiker programmiert, और entwickelt software entwickle, suitable. What is the verb? Entwickel. So entwickel, this is the verb. So programmer develop the software, वो software बनाता है, वो programming करता है. Ein Programmer, or okay, we can say programmer also, but here Informatiker, IT specialist. Okay, in the company we have IT specialist, IT department. So these people do programming. Okay, these people work on the different softwares, they develop the software as per the company requirement. Okay, so ein Informatiker programmiert or entwickelt software. All right, this is the sentence. In case any doubt, if you want to make sentence, please write below in the comment section. I am reading your comments and I will definitely check out. So you can also learn along with me. You can write down your sentences. Any question, any query related to the topic, please write below in the comment section. Okay, so was macht ein Informatiker? Ein Informatiker entwickelt Software. Ein Informatiker programmiert. Okay, so these are the answer. Second, Friseur. Friseur is barber, hair salon. Okay, he works in a saloon. So was macht ein Friseur? Was macht ein Friseur? Or was sind die Tätigkeiten von Friseur? What are the job profile of Friseur? एक Friseur, एक barber, hair cutter. Okay, barber क्या काम करता है, उसका काम क्या है, क्या काम करता है वो जर्मन में कैसे बोलेंगे. Okay, how do we say this in German? What he does, what a hair styler do. Okay, what he does. So föhnen is a verb, means to dry the hair. Okay, hair dry करते हैं, ड्रायर करते हैं हेयर को, सलून में जाते हैं. So föhnen is the verb. So ein Friseur or female Friseurin föhnt. Okay, T ending, third person, föhnt. That's it. और ein Friseur färbt die Haare. Färben, coloring, बालों को कलर करना. This is called färben. This is the verb. So färbt, third person. You should know the conjugation. Okay, this is the B2 level structure. You should learn the proper conjugation. Friseur is singular and Friseur färbt die Haare और schneiden cut, hair cutting करता है. So schneiden is the verb. तो schneidet, third person schneidet. Okay, I am writing infinitive. So ein Friseur schneidet die Haare. वो hair cutting करता है, hair coloring करता है, hair को dry करता है. Okay, so föhnen means to dry hair, färben means to color the hair, and schneiden means to cut the hair. These are the three verbs that we have learned: schneiden, färben, föhnen. Okay, föhnen. This is with Friseur, barber, hairstyler. Okay, so if the question is was macht ein Friseur, Friseur क्या करता है, हेयर स्टाइलर क्या करता है, बार्बर क्या करता है. So ein Friseur föhnt, ein Friseur färbt die Haare, or ein Friseur schneidet die Haare, he cut the hairs. Okay, very good. Next is Krankenschwester und Krankenpfleger. Pfleger is a male gender, Schwester is for female, like nurse is for Krankenschwester. And okay, sister or brother, this is sister, brother. Sister is Krankenschwester, brother is Krankenpfleger. So was macht ein Krankenpfleger? Ein Krankenpfleger messt fever, he measure the fever. In the hospital or in the clinic, patients have fever, so he take the measurement of the fever, how much grad. We say grad, we don't use degree Celsius. In Germany the unit is grad. So ein Krankenpfleger messt das fever, और macht verband ड्रेसिंग करता है, वो पट्टी लगाता है, ड्रेसिंग करता है, बैंडेज करता है. macht verband. Another verb anlegen. Eine Krankenschwester legt Verband an, to put dressing. Okay, Verband is dressing. Verband machen, Verband anlegen oder Fieber messen, to measure the fever. Blutdruck messen, blood pressure, BP, to measure the BP. Blutdruck. I'll write here Blutdruck messen. Okay, so this is the Tätigkeit, this is the profile, this is the job of a Krankenschwester or Krankenpfleger, sister or boy. Next, Bankangestellte. We have done this 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one. Bankangestellte, Bank employee. Was macht ein Bankangestellte? Was sind die Tätigkeiten von Bankangestellte? What are the work profile of a bank employee? So informiert über online banking. Informiert über online banking. Nowadays online banking is very popular. Okay, you don't need to go bank for every second work. You can do all these works through applications. Many public sectors and private banks have their applications. You can use them and you can do so many works. Okay, you don't need to visit the bank branch. So informiert über online banking. Bank employee teach you, inform you about online banking. You should do this. You should activate online banking in your mobile phone and you should use them. You don't have to come to the branch. You can do it on your own. So you need information, and this information is given by bank employee, Bankangestellte. Apart from, there are some other responsibilities like Geld anlegen, halten, beraten. He is like an advisor. He inform you about the investment plan. There are so many investment plans of a particular bank. So bank employee informs you. Beraten. Beraten means to advise. Beraten. He also gives you advice related to the money. Beraten. Beraten to advise, and berater is advisor. Berater, advisor. Beraten to advise. Okay. Or Bankkonto eröffnen. He helps you in opening the bank account. Bankkonto eröffnen. Okay, I'll erase some of the words so that you understand better what I am trying to say. Okay, Bankkonto eröffnen. I write here, like we have Facebook account, there is also bank account. So Facebook account is very popular, but bank account is equally important. I hope everyone has bank account. So bank konto eröffnen. Bank konto, das Konto eröffnen. Okay, he helps or he open. So Bankangestellte eröffnet das Bankkonto. He opened the bank account. Okay, he opened the bank account. Next, Sozialpädagoge, Sozialpädagogin, female, Sozialpädagoge, social educator, social worker. So what he does, they work with the youth. Sie arbeiten or arbeitet mit Jugendlichen. Arbeitet mit Jugendlichen. He works with the youth, youngsters of the country, and they do social work, a lot of social work for the poor people, for the needy people. Okay, arme Leute, sie arbeiten für arme Leute, for the poor people, arme Leute, or you can say arme Menschen. Okay, with arme it is plural, so Leute is also plural, e ending, Menschen is also plural. So they work for the poor people, for the needy people. The last Beruf that we are doing today is architect. How do you say it? Architect. 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 Architektin. Okay. Now it is better. Architect. So was macht ein Architekt? Ein Architekt plant Gebäude. He plant the building. Baut Modelle. He makes model. He construct model. And Bauprojekt machen. He make Bauprojekt. Construction project. Bau means construction. Bauen. Project. He makes a lot of project. Constructions. He visit the site. And architect design the house. So Gebäude planen. Modelle bauen. To make the model. And then finalize. And then building is constructed according to the model. So these are the works of architect. How do we say? Architect. Female, Architektin. Ein Architekt, eine Architektin. So that's all in this today's class. In case any doubt, any comment, please write below in the comment section. I will answer your queries. I hope you understand today's class. This is in continuation with the previous lecture. If you missed, please go and watch all the videos given below in the playlist. B1 level, B2 level, A1, A2. I have mentioned all the playlist below in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.